It's a 2016 Kia Sedona. It's part getaway vehicle, part lounge on the go. This Sedona is everything your family needs it to be. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Car and Driver declares the Sedona has everything a minivan must. A solid drivetrain, enough electronic gadgetry to narcotize the kiddies on trips, side windows that roll down, lots of cup holders, and standard airbags in front and all along the sides. The drivetrain is refined and powerful, the chassis is well sorted, and there's plenty of room for plenty of stuff. Kia, commanding attention. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. For a great automotive experience, choose Bosak Honda. Come see us today at 710 US Highway 20 in Michigan City, Indiana.